Greetings, friends! It's a beautiful day in the garden, and I'm so happy to see you. Today, we're gonna learn all about blueberries. Have you ever seen a blueberry bush? I have one growing right now. Let's go take a look. This is my blueberry bush. I love the color of the stalks as it's growing. Take a look at this. What do you see? That's right. These are blueberries. But they're not blue. What color are they? They're green. That's because they're not ripe yet. They'll turn blue as they grow. You know what? Let's start from the beginning. Do you see these? These are blueberry flowers. They come before the fruit. What color are the flowers? They're white. Isn't it interesting how the blueberry flowers have a similar shape to the blueberries? They're both round. When the plant is ready, the flowers drop and the blueberries start to grow. Look here. It looks like the berries are missing. But they're not missing. They're just getting ready to grow. Let's review. First, we see the blueberry flower. Then the blueberry flower falls off the plant when it's ready. Now, the plant is preparing for the blueberry to grow. Look at these. What do you notice? Let's compare these blueberries to the first ones that we saw. These blueberries are bigger because they're older and have been growing for longer. These blueberries are smaller because they're younger. They just started to grow.
It's time to sing head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Get ready. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes, knees and toes.
Let's look at one more set of berries. What do you notice about these berries? Can you see that they're changing colors? Soon they'll be blue. Once they're completely blue, I'll know they're ready to eat, and I'll pick them and have a yummy treat in the garden. It's a special time in the garden when the blueberries are putting out fruit. They don't put out fruit all year long. It's only a special treat in the beginning of spring. That's why I like to say, hello, blueberry bush. It's so great to see you growing some blueberries in the garden.
It's time to stretch like a sprout. Let's crouch and tuck into a little ball like a seed that has been planted in the soil. After some rain, we start to grow up and stretch towards the sun like this. Keep stretching. We're growing strong like a sprout. Can you reach your hands as high as you can and stand on your toes? Hold it. It's okay if you fall. Just stand up and try again. Put your heels down, but keep your hands up. Let's take a deep breath as we stretch. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, and out. 1, 2, 3. Awesome! We just stretched like a sprout. Sprouts grow from small seeds and they keep growing into fully grown plants. Stretching like a sprout reminds me that no matter what, I always need to do my best to grow.
There are many ways to eat blueberries. It's common to eat them fresh on their own, but they're also popular in pancakes, breads, fruit salads, and smoothies. Do you like to eat blueberries? What's your favorite way to eat them? Do you know where blueberries come from? They originate from North America. For thousands of years, they were a popular food for the native people to forage. Foraging is the practice of collecting food from the wilderness. When more people learned about how amazing blueberries are, they learned to grow them. And now they're grown around the world.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Look at this! These blueberries are a vibrant blue color. That means they're ripe and ready to eat. I'm going to harvest them. Look at these beautiful blueberries. I'm going to eat one. Wow, that's delicious. There's nothing like fresh food from the garden. I could eat this whole bunch. I wrote a poem about blueberries. Do you know what poetry is? Poetry is a way to express ourselves with words. We can write poems about anything. We can write poems about the people we love, the places we go, the things we see, even our emotions. When I saw these blueberries growing, I was inspired to write a poem about them. Do you want to hear it? Yeah? Okay. Hi there, Barry. How are you? I can't wait for you to turn blue. I will wait until it's time. You'll be yummy, and I'll be kind. Have you ever written a poem before? If not, you should try it. Maybe you could write a poem about blueberries too. Blueberry poems combine two of my favorite things: blueberries and poetry. Blueberries grow once a year where I live, so I've been waiting a whole year for this special treat. And I've been practicing kindness, patience, and positivity that whole time. I've been kind to the plant and helped it thrive. I've been patient with the plant in understanding I can't rush or force its growth. And I've been positive with gratitude. Gratitude is when we're thankful. This bush only grows so many berries, and I'm thankful for each and every one of them. It's little moments like these that have big impacts. Sitting in my garden with a handful of berries reminds me to appreciate what it takes to grow. Growth is the result of hard work and time, and the rewards are great. Sometimes the rewards are delicious, just like these berries. Let's take a moment to reflect on gratitude. What's something you're thankful for? It could be your friends, family, maybe your favorite fruit. Every day I like to think of at least one thing to be grateful for. That way I can smile and be appreciative. There's one more thing for us to see. Take a look at this blueberry. Inside the blueberry are little seeds. They can be planted so a new blueberry bush can grow. That bush can grow more flowers and berries, leading to more seeds and more plants. It's a cycle from seed to plant and plant to seed. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, I had so much fun learning about blueberries with you today. Thank you for joining me in the garden so we could learn about blueberries together. Remember, share kindness, patience, and positivity with yourselves and each other so that we can all grow together. Until the next time, bye!